I'm the Knorr chef, and I work on developing recipes that use all of our different products. You can see that Knorr comes in a wide variety of pasta and rice sides. We have everything from delicious Alfredo pastas, savory chicken pastas, teriyaki rices, Spanish rices. Knorr brings all of this delicious flavor to you to make your meal solutions easy and delicious. At Knorr, we believe in consistent access to nutritious foods for all Americans. That's why today we're going to talk about cooking with chicken. Chicken is one of the most popular sources of protein because it's affordable, it's versatile, and it's easy to cook with. We're going to show you how to turn chicken into a delicious farm stand chicken cheddar broccoli rice bowl today. This is one of our newest recipes featuring our Knorr cheddar broccoli rice. It uses a wide variety of seasonal summer vegetables such as squash and zucchini, tomatoes, red onions, and some parsley. While I'm cooking, I'll also bring to you some tips and some hacks so that you can make this recipe no matter what you have in your kitchen. So let's get started. Pour 1 3/4 cup water and 1/4 cup milk into a medium saucepan. Stir in the cheddar broccoli rice and bring contents to a boil. Cover and simmer over medium-low heat for 7 minutes. If you don't have a lid, no problem. A great hack is to simply mold a piece of aluminum foil over your saucepan. It makes a great lid. Also, a time-saving tip is use the time while the rice is cooking to prepare your vegetables and chicken. Cut onion into 1/4 inch thick slices. Finely chop a small slice and use to sprinkle as garnish for your finished rice bowl. Cut your grape tomatoes in half to make 1 cup. Cut your chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. This helps the chicken to cook both quickly and evenly. Don't forget to lightly season with salt and pepper if desired. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large nonstick skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and onions and cook, stirring frequently, 5 minutes or until chicken is thoroughly cooked. See how nice and brown the chicken and onions get together? Remove from the skillet and set aside on a clean plate. Don't be afraid of the browning that forms on the skillet. In culinary terms, this is called fond and will add great flavor to the finished dish. If it gets too dark or burned, wipe your skillet clean and continue. Add the zucchini and squash to your skillet and saute about 3 minutes or until lightly browned and crisp tender. Now, stir in your tomatoes, reserved chicken with all its delicious juices, and the hot cooked cheddar broccoli rice. Stir until well combined. Look how everything is done in just 1 skillet. This also saves in cleanup time too. Spoon the rice mixture into bowls and then finish it by sprinkling with your chopped red onion and parsley. Now it's done. Enjoy! So there you have it, farm stand chicken cheddar broccoli rice bowl. Now doesn't that look delicious? So many colorful fresh vegetables. This recipe is not only delicious, but it's better for you. And a 1/2 cup of serving of vegetables in every portion. But I promised you some tips and hacks. And so what I want to show you today is if you don't have access to these exact vegetables, you can actually substitute in any vegetables you want. You can saute some broccoli florets or some cauliflower or some sliced peppers. You can also substitute for the fresh boneless skinless chicken breasts. You can substitute in canned chicken, which is super popular right now as it's a very popular pantry staple for protein sources. If you don't want to do meat, you can also try adding plant-based proteins to the dish in place of the chicken. You can do things like chickpeas or these delicious kidney beans or black beans. Any of these types of beans add delicious protein in a really convenient canned format. Also, if you don't have the fresh vegetables on hand, your freezer is a great new pantry. You can stir in defrosted peppers and onions, or even like a stir-fry mix or a California blend, which are all found in the freezer section. All of these plant-based proteins and frozen vegetable alternatives and canned meats are just as delicious in this recipe as what I showed you how to cook today. So feel free to experiment. We have lots of different pastas and rice side dishes that you can do any combination of vegetables and proteins that you like. So thank you so much for your time today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I look forward to seeing you cook more Knorr. Thank you.